Hello students, in today's lecture we'll learn about the importance of a secretary. Last lecture we all learned the features of a secretary that like qualification, qualities, appointment, etc. In today's lecture we will learn about the importance of a secretary. Now what is the importance of a secretary for an organization or an employer, right? Expert advice and guidance, administrative custodian of a secret information, correspondent, legal or compliance officer, conducting meeting, link between management and staff, fulfillment of secretarial standards and secretarial audit. So we will learn one by one. Since today's world is a competitive world, right? Due to use of science and technologies, the business is changes day after day, right? Now, changing of this business world, the need and importance of secretary is highlighted, right? Or the secretary get a important position or has a greater status and importance in the organization due to the changing and never ending demands of a today's business world. So the need and importance of a secretary we learn through the following points. First point says the expert advice and guidance. As the secretary advises the supervisors on various important issues and assists in finalizing the decision on various issues. Why? Because secretary is connected to the top management also and to the lower management also, right? It means he is having the link between the top level and the lower level. So he knowing the problems and solution also due to his superior advice to the top level management. He can gives or he assists to finalize the decision on various issues. His views, observations and opinions of the secretary are always considered valuable while taking the proper policy decision. A secretary provides able guidance to the management and helps to achieve the expected goal of the business. Why? Because secretary knows each and everything about the organization. He holds the important position. He is a custodian of a secret information. He knows everything from the top level management to the lower level management. So getting his advices, a company can frame a proper policy, right? Then the second point is administrator. Why the administrator? A secretary looks after the routine office administration of the organization, right? A secretary handles efficiently routine as well as the executive duties of the organization. He handles the routine duties like office management, documentation, correspondence, or documentation of the important issues, attending the visitors, giving the information regarding the queries of the clients. Okay, secretary handles efficiently. Secretary also handles the executive duty, like he helps the assist the policy in formulation, preparation of plans, supervise on execution of plans. As the secretary helps the top level management for policy making, making the plans successfully, and supervising to make that plan, where to check whether all are working according to the plans, whether the planning executed as per the formatted. This all the secretary is performing the duty of administrator. Due to this his duty, he getting the important position or he is getting the importance in the organization. Custodian of secret information. As the secretary holds the each and every important or secret information of his employer or the organization, he is having the important, as a secretary he is an important person in the organization. Why? Because secretary assesses confidential and critical information related to the organization. He connected with the top level management. His helps in policy formulation, policy preparation. He gives his valuable advices for the policy framing, right? So he is having the all secret information. Secretary also involved in making an executive important decision all important decisions regarding the business activities are required to be maintained confidential. Secretary act as a guard to the secret of the organization, and and secretary does not disclose it to anyone unless required and authorized to do so. So the secretary is often referred as a confidential officer, right? Then correspondent. The secretary is the correspondent of the organization and is therefore responsible for inward and outward correspondence. Correspondent, it means what? He is giving the information regarding the company to the clients, and again he is solving the query of the clients. Secretary conducts a correspondence with whom? With the members of the company, directors of the company, banks, insurance companies, registrar, government authorities, customers. He is giving the all information to the government, to the insurance companies, to the registrar, to the banks, members, directors, customers also. So so the secretary is a correspondent. Legal compliance officer. Secretary has to ensure proper and timely legal compliances in all the activities of the organization. Now legal compliances, it means what? Secretary has to follow all the rules and regulation which is given by the government to operate the company. Which is the legal compliances? The secretary has to maintain the books, register as prescribed the Companies Act 2013. The government made the certain rules and regulation to be followed by the companies. Those who want to make the business, those who are opening the companies, they has to follow the provisions or rules and regulation given by the Companies Act 2030. So the secretary has to follow all the rules given by Companies Act 2013. The secretary has to file the returns documents with the proper authorities within the stipulated time. So this all legal compliances has to be ensured by the secretary. So the secretary is also known as what? Legal compliances officer. Conducting meeting. Every business organization has to conduct the meeting where the persons meet and finalize the important decision. Now company conduct the meeting with its members to grow for the growth or any issues of the members with the companies. Then the secretary carries the formalities which are required to be undertaken before the meeting, during the meeting and after the meeting, which includes the preparation of agenda, sending notices and preparing minutes. All these terms we will learn afterwards in the coming chapters. As to conduct the meeting, the notice should be given to the each and every person who is related to the meeting. Then what will be the subjects in the meeting, what is the decision taken in the meeting, all that should be care taken by the secretary. So secretary has to handle all the meetings. And next one is link between the management and staff. As the secretary is connected to the lower level management also, and top level management also, and the staff also. So the secretary acts as a link between the management and staff of the organization, and and secretary helps for the effective communication. Whatever is the decision, whatever is the plan taken by the middle level, higher level or the lower level management, he provide all the information, all the plans to the staff, whether they are working as per the plan or not. It is important that these decisions are coordinated effectively at all levels of the organization. And last one is fulfillment of secretarial standard and secretarial audit. Secretarial standard and audit aimed at checking whether the company is adhering to the legal and procedure requirement. It means what? As per the Companies Act, whatever is the provisions are given, according to that, according to the rules and regulation, whether the secretary, whether the company is complying in all, that should be taken, that should be checked by the whom? The secretary, right? So all this point shows the importance of a secretary. Secretary got an important position in the organization. So from above points it clear that the secretary as the confidential officer, secretary as the custodian of a secret information, he is the secretary, as having the secretary is a correspondent legal compliances officer, conducting the meetings, acting as a link between the management and staff, fulfilling of secretarial standards and secretary active. All these points shows the importance of a secretary.